Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a baked potato casserole. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 6 rashers of bacon, 4 large yellow potatoes, a green onion, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese divided, 2/3 cups of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of reserved bacon grease, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, and 6 ounces of cream cheese. We'll start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll heat a pan over medium heat. Once heated, we'll cook our bacon until crispy, about 4 minutes per side, and transfer it to a paper towel lined plate, working in batches if necessary. After cooking our bacon, we'll reserve 2 tablespoons of our bacon grease. Then we'll rinse our potatoes in the sink and cut them into approximately 1-inch pieces. Transfer them to a large bowl and toss them with our 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. Then we'll spray an 8x8-inch 2-quart casserole dish with cooking spray and pour our potatoes in it. We'll cook these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While our potatoes are baking, we'll mix together our 6 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 cup of our shredded cheddar cheese. After 30 minutes, we'll remove our potatoes from the oven and place dollops of our cream cheese mixture around our casserole dish and sprinkle our casserole with our remaining cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then we'll return the casserole to the oven and allow it to bake for an additional 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. While our casserole continues to bake, we'll thinly slice 1 green onion and crumble up our bacon. After 15 minutes, our potatoes should be done. We'll top the casserole with our 2/3 cups of sour cream and then sprinkle it with our sliced green onion and crumbled bacon. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.